everybody, welcome back to my channel, Kicks for Fresh. Now, if you're new here, I go by K-Fresh, and on today's video, I'm gonna give you a detailed review and on-feet look of the Jordan 1 Low Reverse Bred. Now, before we get into the logistics of this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I am 40 subscribers away from hitting that 1K mark, and it would not be possible without all of you all's support. On this channel, I do sneaker reviews, clothing hauls, and how to styles. So now that we got that all out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into the review of this sneaker. Now, first and foremost, just so you all are aware, your girl was able to go right on into the mall, into the Champ store, and get her sneaker. Now, this does not happen very often. Depending on a sneaker, if there's a lot of hype surrounding around a sneaker, there's no chance in heck I will hit on this sneaker. After I did not get any of the restocks and things like that on this sneaker, I just decided, you know what, let me go ahead, go to the mall, see if they have the sneaker. They had an 8.5 and a 9. The 9 is my size. The 9 happened to be one of the display shoes, so your girl was extra lucky. Now, I'm not gonna take too much of you all's time, so let's go ahead and start with the box. You have, just typical Air Jordan 1 Low box. The size tag does read Air Jordan 1 Low. The official color code on these joints is gem red, black, and white. Size 9, suggested retail price is $90. So there you go, just to give you a quick little look at these bad boys. So like I said, I was fortunate enough to get these sneakers, walked right into Champs, got my sneakers, and walked on right out. This was a sneaker that I have been eyeing ever since I saw the official images of this sneaker. This was a sneaker that I knew that I was not gonna pay over retail for, because I knew that I could get this if I just been patient. And that is one of the biggest lessons that a lot of sneakerheads have to learn sometimes. You go and you buy off Go in StockX, which I have no problem if that's what people want to do. But for me, I just tested my luck, kept going into the stores, and I was able to hit on this sneaker, and as well as a lot of other sneakers that I've gotten into my collection. So let's go ahead and get into the box. You have your standard 23 tissue paper right there, and there you have it, the Air Jordan 1 Low Reverse Bred. So let's start with the sole of this sneaker. So as you can see, the outer sole is in that gem red colorway. That is something that just makes this shoe look real sexy to me. Then when you get to the lateral side of the shoe, you do have a all white midsole. You have some red paneling around the toe box and around the heel tab, as well as the Nike swoosh. That mid panel is in a black leather as well. You kind of end the shoe off with some red, gem red detailing around the eyelets of the shoe. Really awesome. Like I said, the toe box does have a gem red material, as well as a black toe box. Very stylish. Get down to the laces. It did not come with any extra laces. These laces are just a regular standard black laces. You do have a black tongue with the red, gem red Jumpman, which is very nice. For the summer, this is a good shoe, a good buy. When you get to the medial side of the shoe, you see the same exact details that I've already outlined for the lateral side. What's awesome about this shoe is there is a black inner sock liner, which is great. Very nice, so you don't get like the sneaker fuzzies. I'm hoping you can see this, but there is a red Jumpman on the inside of this shoe. And then really what I really want to focus our attention on today is obviously that back tab. You do have that Air Jordan Wings logo stitched in black. Y'all, this is better than the red and white gem reds. I can't remember what they was calling those, but the fact that the stitching is a different color than the leather is really what sets off this shoe to me. I'm really digging this. So now that you've seen the details of this sneaker, I want to talk a little bit about the quality. So really in terms of the overall quality of this shoe, it is pretty nice. There's a couple of glue stains, but not really super noticeable. I think this is a fresh sneaker to wear in the summertime. In terms of the actual quality of leather, one of the things that is very noticeable on Jordan 1 Lows is that the quality of leather is not as tumble, y'all. So just want to give y'all a really quick look. I love the stitching on these. It's just pristine is what I will say. But in terms of the toe box, it is not a tumble leather at all, y'all. I almost don't want to even do that because I don't want to have any creases in these sneakers. But at the end of the day, it is a Jordan 1 Low. The price point is only $90, so you are kind of getting what you paid for. So if I was to rate these sneakers, I would give this a 10 out of 10. This is a sneaker that was a grail for me. It was a sneaker that I had to have this year, and I'm so glad that I'm able to put this in my collection. So, don't even, don't get at me in the comment section, but this sneaker is a 10 out of 10 when it comes to the actual colorway and the execution. It is just amazing. So that is all I have for you all today. I really wanted to just give a really quick review of this sneaker and on feet. If you like this video and you want to see more, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share this video. Do all of those things. Help your girl get to the 1K mark. I appreciate you for coming by my channel. And until next time, you already know what to do. Stay fresh.